What is ChatGPT and how to use it for business? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot created by OpenAI that can understand and respond to human questions. It can help you write, answer questions, explain different subjects, and even have conversations like talking to a really smart friend. In this video, we explain various ways businesses can leverage ChatGPT to improve efficiency and drive growth. From customer support to content creation, sales assistance to process automation, discover how this powerful technology can revolutionize your business operations. Enhancing customer support. ChatGPT can be integrated into websites, apps, or messaging platforms to provide instant responses to customer inquiries. This reduces wait times and ensures round-the-clock support without requiring a large team of human agents. Benefits are 24/7 availability, cost reduction in customer service, instant responses to questions for implementation. Use platforms like OpenAI API, ChatFuel, or ManyChat to build a ChatGPT-powered chatbot. Train the chatbot with common customer questions and responses. Handling customer complaints. AI can assist in drafting polite and professional responses to customer complaints. It ensures that responses are quick, consistent, and effective in resolving issues. Content creation for marketing. ChatGPT can generate high-quality blog posts, product descriptions, and social media content to improve search engine optimization and engage audiences. Steps to use ChatGPT for blog writing. 1. Define your topic and target audience. 2. Use ChatGPT to draft an outline. 3. Generate a full article and refine it as needed. AI can help create compelling captions, tweets, and LinkedIn posts to boost online engagement. Improving sales and lead generation. ChatGPT can qualify leads by answering customer queries and guiding them through the sales funnel. For example, a real estate company can use ChatGPT to provide property details, answer financing questions, and schedule viewings automatically, freeing up agents for higher priority tasks. Personalized product recommendations. AI can analyze customer preferences and provide personalized product recommendations, boosting conversion rates. An e-commerce site can integrate ChatGPT to suggest customers who bought this also liked, based on previous purchases, increasing cross-sells and upsells. Automating business processes. For internal communication and documentation, ChatGPT can draft meeting notes, reports, and internal memos, saving time for employees. Example: after a team meeting, ChatGPT summarizes key discussion points and action items, automatically sending them via email to all attendees. Or HR teams can use ChatGPT for resume screening, interview question generation, and onboarding assistance. Example: a hiring manager uses ChatGPT to generate a list of technical interview questions for software developers and automate initial screening responses. Data analysis and decision-making. ChatGPT can analyze market trends, customer feedback, and competitor strategies. AI can help businesses predict future trends based on past financial data. Example: a retail store owner inputs sales data into ChatGPT to generate revenue forecasts for the next quarter and adjust inventory orders accordingly. A startup founder can use ChatGPT to summarize online customer reviews, to identify common pain points and improve product features accordingly. Similarly, a retail store owner can input sales data to generate revenue forecasts for the next quarter and adjust inventory orders based on these predictions. Enhancing productivity and time management. Businesses can automate repetitive tasks such as scheduling appointments, generating invoices, and sending reminders. Example: a freelance consultant uses ChatGPT to draft contracts and invoices, reducing administrative work and allowing more time for client engagement. ChatGPT can assist in brainstorming new business strategies, marketing campaigns, and product ideas. Example: a startup founder struggling with branding asks ChatGPT for unique product name ideas and receives a list of creative suggestions. Monetizing ChatGPT for business growth. Businesses can offer ChatGPT-powered services such as AI writing, customer support automation, or chatbot development. Example: a digital marketing agency adds AI-generated content services, providing clients with automated blog writing and SEO-friendly website copy. Businesses can sell AI-generated ebooks, courses, or templates. Entrepreneurs can develop AI-powered tools and offer them as subscription-based services. A digital marketing agency can add AI-generated content services, providing clients with automated blog writing and SEO-friendly website copy. ChatGPT offers versatile applications across business functions. It can translate languages instantly, assist in proofreading, summarize lengthy reports, generate social media content, and help write business proposals. For technical teams, it provides code debugging and development assistance. Marketing departments benefit from AI-generated slogans, SEO keyword recommendations, and engaging brand storytelling. HR teams can create customized training materials, while legal departments can draft preliminary documents and contracts. Conclusion and steps to follow. 1. Identify key areas in your business where AI can help. 2. Experiment with ChatGPT and explore automation tools. 3. Scale your business with AI-driven strategies. By strategically implementing ChatGPT, businesses can not only improve productivity, but also unlock new growth opportunities. ChatGPT offers countless possibilities for businesses to enhance efficiency, boost sales, and generate new revenue streams. From automating customer service to creating compelling marketing content, the potential applications are endless. Businesses that integrate AI into their operations early will gain a significant competitive advantage in the digital era. Start leveraging ChatGPT today and watch your business grow.